In this video, I'm going to reveal step-by-step how I'd make $300 per day ASAP if I was starting again. Now, before I dive into exactly how to do this, I want to share a quick story with you that maybe you can relate to. Back around, 7, 8 years ago, I was slaving away as a waiter. A lot of people don't know this, but I was working at a restaurant called Chili's in the United States in Texas. I was barely making ends meet. I had just dropped out of college, and I really didn't know what I was going to do with my life. And I was very scared because bills kept piling up. Bill collectors were after me, and at one point I had about $21 in my bank account, and I just didn't know how to make money. And I didn't want to work for the rest of my life for some boss, that didn't appreciate me. I wanted the freedom to just do the things I want to do with the people I love doing it with. So I started researching. I went through massive trial and error, investing tons and tons of my own hard-earned money into multiple things that promise the world and they never actually deliver. But after massive trial and error, I started to finally figure out things that worked. So what I'm going to share with you in this video is what I wish I would have known if I was brand new, starting again, and I just wanted to start to get to at least $300 a day online. So what I'm going to get into is exactly that. Now, let me get right into the very first step. Okay, so this is find a product to promote. Okay, because if you want to make money online, there's really only two ways to do it. Okay, there's selling a product or selling a service. Okay, the only way you're really going to make money, if you don't want to do like a job, okay, where they're going to pay you to do some hourly task, is to actually sell something. And don't worry if you're not good at sales. Don't worry if you find it icky or weird. I'm going to share with you exactly how you can do this, copy paste, in as little as about 20 minutes a day. Okay, so the first step though is I recommend you find a product to promote, especially if you want freedom, because if you're selling a service, you're going to have to invest a lot of your time to actually fulfill the service if you don't want to hire people to do it. So I'm going to share with you how to find a product to promote. So what I would do, again, if I was starting off, is I would join an independent affiliate program. Okay, now why an independent affiliate program? Because you can go to sites like ClickBank, maybe you've heard of that, or jvzoo.com to find products to promote in multiple different niches. But the reason I personally would join an independent affiliate program, and pretty much I always do when I promote products, is because you get paid more commissions, there's faster payouts, and there's more support. So if you go to ClickBank, often you're gonna, unless it's a high ticket product, which is kind of rare for ClickBank, you're gonna make very tiny commissions. And it's gonna take a while to get paid, okay? So if you want money as fast as possible, maybe you need money right now, or you're just starting off and you just wanna quit a job as fast as possible, then you wanna join an independent program. And also there's more support, okay? So typically there's like a Facebook group of members that you can connect with, that you can help each other, share support with, okay? So it's a lot better, and I would highly recommend you do that. In order to find an independent affiliate program, it can be a little tough, but what I would do is I would look on YouTube for people in the make money online niche, okay? So I would look for people that are creating videos talking about affiliate marketing or making money online, because chances are they're gonna be promoting an affiliate program. And then I would go to the description under their video and I would click the link and I would check out to see what they were promoting, okay? And I would make sure that it's an independent affiliate program. Again, you can kind of look at the bottom of the page, make sure it doesn't say, affiliated by ClickBank or JVZoo, so you know they're actually a part of an independent affiliate program. And then what I would do is if I resonated with them and I trusted that person, then I would join that person in that program, okay? So once you've joined inside of that program, the next step is we want to get proof photos. Okay, so typically, again, independent affiliate programs, if they're good, they're gonna have team Facebook groups. These are just Facebook groups with every new member in there. And if it's a very good program, then a lot of the members are gonna be making money, okay? Now, the reason I would join, by the way, a make money online program is because most people wanna make money online. Okay, if you join some obscure thing, you're going to find it a little bit harder to find a lot of people that want to do that. But almost everyone, your brother, your cousin, your sister, everyone wants to make more money. So this is a very, very easy way to do it, especially with the strategy I'm sharing. So you want to go through the post from the members inside of that Facebook group, and you want to look for posts where people shared photos of money and income that they've made. Okay, so again, if it's a good Facebook group, you'll scroll through and you'll see a lot of people posting screenshots of payments, commissions made, deposits in their bank account. Okay, so you'll see all this proof. And then what you want to do is you want to go through and you want to just download as many as possible. Okay, so I would download them to my computer if I want to work on my computer, if I want to do it just from my smartphone, which with this method, you could literally just do it from a smartphone. Then I would save it, you could screenshot it onto your phone. So you want to have as many of these proof photos as possible, because that's going to lead us to the next steps, as I'll share in just a second. But once you've done that, you want to do that, by the way, because the number one thing that's going to sell people on joining a program and investing money into something is social proof. Okay, social proof is basically a fancy name for testimonials. So you just want to share proof of other people making money so other people get curious and want to do that too. Okay, so that's all we're doing. So we want to get all these proof photos. The next step is we want to start adding friends on Facebook. Okay, Facebook is free, especially if you're promoting it from your profile, which I highly recommend you do. It's easy. It takes, like I said, less than about 20 minutes a day, and anyone can get started with it. Yes, you can do Instagram, YouTube, other things, but if I would just wanted to make as much money as fast as possible when I was just starting off, I would do Facebook. So what you want to do is you want to add friends. Okay. Now, by the way, if you're watching this and you're like, oh, I don't want to market on my profile, I have friends and family on there. One, you can actually kind of hide who sees your posts on Facebook, but also you could just create a new profile. Okay. It does not matter. You just want to, if you want to keep it separate, which some of your friends and family may actually want to join you, so I wouldn't recommend that, but if you want to, you can. Now what we want to do is we want to go to Make Money Online and Work From Home Facebook groups. Okay, so you would go to Facebook, and then all you have to do is go to the top right here, and you would just type in, Make Money Online or Work From Home. You would search that, and then you can see right here groups. Okay, so you want to click on that tab, and you can see all these groups in the Make Money Online niche. So what does this mean? Well, this means that you can see if someone joined this group, they're interested in making money online. And this group specifically has 87,000 members. Okay. So what I would do is I would just find a big group. I would open that up. I would go to the people tab, and then I would scroll down and look for members with things in common. And I would go to see all. Now, if you're just completely brand new with a brand new profile, you won't have members with things in common, because these are people with mutual friends. Okay, these are people with common friends. So when you're just starting, you'll have to just start at the top with people that you don't have in common. But as you do this for a few days, you'll start having friends with things in common. Like you see 147. And then what I would do, okay, is I would start adding 30 people a day from members with things in common. So what you could do is you can literally just go here and I can click add friend. You can see I've added, right? Add. I would just go down there and add 30 people a day. Now I want to share this. If you're completely brand new to this, I would add about 10 people per hour just to be safe. So you can set a reminder on your phone, just follow 10 people an hour until you hit the 30. And then I would stop for the day. And then the next day I would do the same thing. Okay. So again, we're adding people as friends, and a portion of these people are going to add you back. Okay, because that's just how it works. It's the reciprocation. If you follow people, if you add people, some of them will follow you back. So we're starting to build our friends list, right? We're starting to build our profile with friends that are interested in making money. Okay, so maybe the light bulbs are starting to go off. Stick with me because I'm going to tie it all together right here. Okay, so then what you want to do is you want to post those proof pictures that you downloaded, okay, to my story, okay, or this would be to your story, right? Because what you want to do is you want to start posting this proof on your story. So if you know how Facebook works, if you don't, it's very similar to Instagram. There's a story, right? You can post things to your story. That's what we want to do, again, if we want to make money as fast as possible, because most people will see your story. They may not necessarily scroll through the feed, but they're going to see your story. Okay, so what you want to do is you want to take, 2 to 3 of those proof photos that we downloaded earlier, and you want to post to your Facebook story per day. Okay, so 2 to 3 per day. And what you want to do is you want to have the last one, okay, the last post that you make, the last photo, on that story, you want to add text that says something like comment info to make money too. Okay, you want to give a call to action telling people to respond to the story, because you're going to start to get people responding, wanting more information. Okay, so for example, and this is a little bit easier on your phone, okay, to create a story. If I try to scroll in here, basically this is just a proof photo I found from a Facebook group. Okay, it's a little bit hard to see, but basically they made $600. So I took that photo, I uploaded it here, and then what you can do is you can actually go to add text, okay, and then I can start typing and I can say comment info if you want to make money too, okay? And I can make this black, right? And I can just put this at the bottom here, and then I can share the story. So what's going to happen is people that I've added as friends that want to make money online are going to see the first two, 1 to 2 proof photos, see those results, think, wow, that's pretty good. And then I share the last one, and then I give a call to action. I say, hey, comment info if you want to make money too. And what's going to happen is people that are interested are going to see that, and they're going to respond, okay? And you could even actually, rather than comment, you could say reply, okay? I don't know if I can edit it. I would say reply, because comment is more for a post. Reply is going to be more for a story. Okay, so if you say reply info, people are going to reply to that story, and you will start getting people in your messenger. That's where it's going to show up when people respond to your story, in your Facebook Messenger saying info, I'm interested, yes. Okay, now if you first get started, you may only have 1 or 2 people respond, but as you do this daily, you're going to have to start having a lot of people. And then what you want to do is you want to send your affiliate link to people who respond. Okay, so as you go through your Facebook Messenger, when you see someone that says info, you want to basically send them a message with the link. Okay, so you'll send them a message with your affiliate link, whatever product or program you're promoting, you're going to send that. Okay, because they're asking for it. You don't just want to spam your link to people, but if they're asking you for information, you can send them your link. And then what you want to do is, I highly recommend this, write down their profile link after sending it. So once you send them your link, you want to write down, you could do it on Notepad, you can do it on your computer, just write down their profile link, okay? And the date when you sent the link, okay? This is going to be very important, because what we want to do is we want to follow up with them 2 days later. Now, on my channel, I share exactly how you can actually set up automation to follow up with people for you, so you don't have to manually do it. But if you're just starting from scratch and you want to make money ASAP, this is what I would do. I would manually follow up in the beginning. So again, I would write down the profile link of the person I sent the link to, followed by what date I sent them. And then every day I would look, oh, I sent this person this link 2 days ago. I would follow up with them, okay? Because most people will not buy right away. So we kind of need to remind them by following up. So we can see if they checked it out and then solve any objections they may have and then sign them up. So you could follow up 2 days later and say, hey, I saw that I sent you a link. Did you get a chance to check it out? If they say no, you can say, oh, okay, well, when can you check it out by? And then write down when they say, and then follow up. If they say, yes, I saw it, we can say, okay, great. Like, are you ready to get started? And they may say, oh, I don't have the money, and whatever. They may come up with like some excuse, and then we can try to overcome that objection and then, sign them up. Okay, hey, I can walk you through signing up. Let me send you that link right now, and then, get you through the process. And then basically you just walk them through signing up. And when they sign up, you can actually send them, if there's training or if there's a Facebook team group, you can actually help them get started with that. And then they'll love you for doing that. Okay. And then really you just rinse and repeat. Okay. So once you do that, once you start adding friends, you start posting on your story and you start following up with people, you just stay consistent and do this daily. Okay, so it's really that simple. Another thing though, you can start posting valuable posts and proof on your Facebook wall as well. Okay, your Facebook wall is just, right here. This again will not get as much engagement typically, okay? But you can start posting kind of the same thing here. and you'll start to get leads. You'll start to get people responding as well. Now, before I get going, one last thing I want to share with you is if you're watching this and you actually want to discover my #1 recommended independent affiliate program that I personally use that pays you instantly, okay? So there's no middleman. When someone pays you, you get paid right away. It's 100% commissions, okay? So you don't have to give away money to the vendor, to the creator, and you get 24/7 support with tons of daily testimonial posts to use. You'll never run out. Every single day, people are posting posts and proof you can use. If you want to discover that, all you have to do, my friend, is just click the link below and check it out. I have a free video walking you through more information on that program that I'm promoting, as well as bonuses you'll get when you personally join me. Okay, so I hope you got value. Be sure you check that out. Subscribe for more daily videos, and I will talk to you very soon.